Here we can see Mr. Slug and my strawberry patch. They've been doing some bother, eating here, bit of damage, eating out this strawberry already. Here we can see one in here, already one on there. Big buggers, snails, slugs. So devastating the strawberry patch. Here he is. He's heading over to here. We've got an old milk jug, a couple of slots cut around, easy access for them. There's no bother. Ground minded to the right size. Throw on some beer. If you have leftover beer from the night before, or somebody around, they have a beer, they don't finish it, whatever. You have it, or you just want to put some beer in. We've already got one in there. What you'll see there. Got another guy heading in just now. So it's working. I like these jugs. You can take off the tops. You can just top it up that way. Back in. Emmetimu. Bonus dog picture. And then here we go. He's bypassing all the strawberries. He's probably been hiding amongst the leaves here while the sun's been out, and now he's making his way over here, and that's going to attract all the slugs, the yeast and the beer, I believe. So most alcohols will do, cider will do, don't know about wine. It's not normally got any of that left, but just some leftover alcohol, and they get attracted, they come around. Some people say up to 200 metres, I'm not sure about that, but I definitely know about 10 metres. I've run a few of these now. It's buried in here. I'm losing quite a lot of strawberries, you may have seen. They destroyed this onion plant. That was up like that. Now look, there's nothing left of it. Got a bigger one over there. Buried down. 5-gallon drum, slots cut into it around the sides, and we can see here already a lot of slugs heading there. There's some. Just across the fence here. I can see them coming from all over. Here's a guy coming out, heading over. Got these ones heading over right there. And there's another one there. You can't see him. And whoa, here we go. One's trying to find his way in. What they do is they'll head off into the beer there. They'll find his way in, and they'll fall in again. Quite lucky. Take this off. You'll see some beer down in there. And they fall in, they get drunk, and they drown. Very useful. So that's a couple of ways I deal with slugs. Just make it as easy as possible for them to get in. This guy's trying to find his entrance. We'll give him a wee hand over if he wants. Here's Mitty. Dog doesn't like being on the other end of the fence. No, let's see, you don't. You'd rather be here with me. We can see that Slugs wanting to head in. Yeah, I can get some of that yeast.